guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
What this woman is crying for, please, can you write it on my platform? She's crying. What is she dey cry for? I beg, make una write and put for there. She dey say she no get 400 euro. Now 400 euro, who she won't give 400 euro, or who she dey cry for? I don't really understand her. Wetin she dey cry for? Wetin dey beat her? I beg, if you understand this woman's story, please can you help me to put it there on session there, please, so that I will send message go give her. She's crying for 400 euro. She says she no get 400 euro. Wetin you want use 400 euro do? Now Facebook matter. Now you want use 400 euro do? Why una mumu like this? Why you be say una mumu? Just problem wey be say if you quarrel before day dark, the quarrel don't come on for ground. Or let's say now only you want serious with the quarrel. Like me now, if me person quarrel, the quarrel don't come on for there. I know they use am serious, so wetin you dey cry for? You dey cry for 400 euro. Wow, wetin you want use 400 euro do? Now baby food you want use 400 euro take buy, abi na clothes you want use 400 euro take buy for your baby. How you wetin you want use 400 euro do? This woman, why are you crying? When I all come Europe, when I all they misbehave, they do anyhow, they disgrace una self. When I all they look where una for they come. When the matter will come happen, una come they shout, they disgrace us. What do you want use 400 euro do? Waiting, now land you want use and buy. Your mate they gather money to build house. You they gather your own money to they do problem. There is some things in life. You don't need to stay there and rot it there. Before you know, say, you don't aspire for there. You know, say, if person they talk to una sometimes, now not they hear, now where they do saga, now there una they go, where problem they? Where saga no go finish for ground? Una go just una all sit down there, the saga go come start, it go come end for una head. That is why you people, you don't have brain to reason for good thing again for life. Only way to una just day on now. Na saga. I see say you they cry. Do you know how much 400 euro? You know how much 400 euro be for Nigeria now? You know how much 400 euro be? 400 euro. 100 euro can give you 150. 200 euro go give you how much be that? 300. Wait, yeah. The 400 euro now. How much 400 will give you? 400 euro will give you 600. How much remain now? If you say another 600, add on that money now. It will be 1,002. There is a place in Benin. Most places when they develop now, you go see 1.2 million naira land buy. You go suffer dead there. Before you go know. If now 5 people, now in first you buy land for them, before you go know. 15 people go buy. After you, it go be 6. After that 6, it go be 7. After 7, it go be 8. After 8, it go be 9. After 9, it go be 10. Una come Europe, una no get respect. Una they carry men, you know. Una they carry men when be say they enter Lakpaduza Road, enter house. Say that they come Europe, one come hustle, they build their life. As una come here, una come the women when do una come they disgrace una self. They disgrace una self for those men. Men wey be say na dem supposed to take care of una. Now una come dey take care of those men. How can a woman, how long you go do take care of man? Now man supposed to dey bath woman, take care of family, take care of everything. Now una can't go dey spend money dey bath man. How una want do and rich? It's not an everlasting job, eh? That job you no fit do and finish for life. Why I'm saying this, I don't know your problem, but the way una dey behave for Euro country, I don't understand. Sometimes there's if road no let person pass and you go back. You go follow on, or you go from another road follow. I just say you they talk of 400 euros. Do you know what is 400 euros? If you they work for fabrica, eh? Do you know how many hours you will get that 400 euros when you want go throw away for just nothing, just nothing, matter when you don't reach anything. Matter when be say 2 or 3 people will just put. Una go settle just because a while na matter no dey settle must reach Facebook. Una be lunatic. Na lunatic na they behave the way una they behave. Any music that comes to you guys doorstep, you dance for it. Money una want to do better thing. Now come they throw away for Facebook. It's a pity. Don't even know the kind of people you guys is. Una all waka come on for house. Una go on that person house go they read there. I pray say Percy say na Naija. You go say they carry fight come meet me for house. Now police I'll call for her now. Police, you call police for her. Police go pick her up because one that place is not your resident. Why did you who give una the audacity? Una go leave una resident go another person resident. Did you know you will get punished for it? The government will punish you and they will give you buta and they will say to you, let me tell you. There is something that happened to one person. He come out for a house, go fight for another person's house. Now he enter Nigeria. Now he reach Nigeria. They carry that person, they deport him. They carry the person, they deport him. Oh, this is Euro country. Don't they do put. Go see. If you go prison, people when they carry for all those. Italian they call them mafia. So those black guys when they carry for different country that time for different city for Italy that time. Torino, Milan, Reggio Emilia, all the old secret guys when they carry for there. All of them they prison today. So don't spend 5 years for prison. 5 years. I don't spend 5 years for prison. I don't spend 6 years for prison. Una all come on for house. When I all go another person's house, now go they ring bell. Say make the person come out. Why the people know they call police for now? Is law. You people, you have fun. You have your handset. When somebody comes to your resident, you call police. You have your number. I don't know why you people you are living in a European country. If any book, you know when you enter house, there is phone book. Phone book. If you enter house, any house when you carry, then they drop phone book for you. That phone book and everything when you want call, it dey inside that phone booth. Police day, hospital day. Anything when you want call, taxi day. Anything when you want call. People when they repair house, your house they leak, your pump they leak, everything they call on. Phone book, any information that you are looking for, the number of anything when you want to do, it there inside there. Pick it up. Die police. Call police. Tell police, say, people there your house, they want kill you. Do it once and for all so that they go get sense enter house. What can you, why are you know, they live for Western world. Do not see they be like, say, now, even for Nigeria, so person go come on for Nigeria, call your house, say, one come fight you. Person go come on for Nigeria, he go call your house, he go say, one come fight you. Wow. For Nigeria. Now, all that they see, they fight for Nigeria at that time. You don't feel come for Nigeria, you all come on for your compound. Even if not the person, I come weak pass, you just enter a compound. The people when they that area, they go join that person, beat you. What kind of life una they live? You people, I don't know why Edo State, people when they live for Edo State, I don't know why una be like this, especially when it comes to Benin people. You know, say when they tell una true, now they like to take out. Now, if you say the person he hate una, or the person want just to they mention una name, or the person want just to they bully una. There is some things you people will learn. Mokuna go school. They will put una for language school. You will not go. They will put una for better school. Una no go. Even language school, they can teach you. When people come your house, one can fight you. Call the police for them. Police go pick them. Like me, as I come their house now. Somebody will come call black. Will come call. Say, make I open door. Why I open door for you? You are not my visitor. You are not my visitor. Only what I will give you. Eh? If you don't make noise for outside, I will not call you police. Police go follow you stand. Then, if police follow you stand, the person when you get house, they go ring bell. They will say, make it come down. You go come down. Then the police go ask and say, what did they do? They'll say they can't buy you. Just to say they can't buy you. Just to say they can't come assassinate you. They go prison. I don't know why, you know, that is something you go do so that it go give some people sense. You they cry, what did they cry for? You they cry, what did they cry for? Why are you crying? Which help you need? 400 euro, your mate now, 400 euro now, they don't gather money. The one when they want to do shopping for, they don't use and do shopping for house. The remaining one, they keep, if they don't keep on, they don't carry and go Nigeria, go use and go to do something for Nigeria. Now, why you was seka? You people, you are using your auto do seka. I don't know cause, me my no leluwa. I don't know the kind of cause when you follow someone for inside, when people they misbehave. Now today they start to they fight. Una when you call on not they fight, now talk now just day. Una they fight. The time when people say yes, people they craze. Now bottle now people they use. Ask how many guests, tell them say, see some guests when bottle tear their face. Ask them wait to tear their face, now bottle. All the time I can't call the fool now for social media. Be like say no now get that social media. Why who you they beg? Who you they beg with 400 euro? Ask by waiting when you dey country. You dey country. When you they fight with somebody, they fight you for country where you dey for year. You people should wake up, go to school, go and learn. There is a lot of things you learn. Any country when you there, if you dey Germany, go and learn Germany. So that you go know how the country they exist. And what the country need. And the law and the rules. Where they the country. Go to school, they will teach you. When strange people can't ring your bell. What you go do? Carry your phone. Not follow them talk. Carry your phone. Call police. Facebook now for to educate. Since you don't want to educate, you don't want to go to school, you people should come to Facebook. Let's educate you people for Facebook. You can call 3 out of 4 people. Ask them, say, wait till lovely talk, whether not truth. It's truth. Like as I day here now, people go they downstairs. Then they ring my bell, say, make I open door for them, make they come. No! I'm not coming. I'm not going to talk to you. What I will do, I will call you Ogbalegbe. I will call you Ogbalegbe. Ogbalegbe will come pick anybody when you see for ground for there. If you did that, will go reach court. I go because as far as say police come meet them for your domot. They don't feel deny anything when you talk. Now police go carry because you not feel leave your resident. They call somebody resident. You cannot leave your resident. What kind of shit is that? Why? What did they worry on now? What did they worry now? Because of little money, most of them want put on themselves for problem. Just because of little checking money when not reach anything. Police can use that one to deport somebody go a country. They all deport you. Your eye go just clear. You all see yourself from Mulutala Mohammed. Just little money when you be say, if you go find work, you can work it. You see some people today now they fight for 50 euro. Some people they fight for 20 euro. Some people they fight for 100 euro. Some people they fight for money when not be anything. But when you do little job out there, you get the money. You get the money. What was that? How can some people go leave their resident or go meet another person for a resident? And you sit down. You don't know what in law talk. You don't know what is law. When strange people come to your house, you not invite them if they come your house. If na igbina amure, chokbalegbe niya. Call ogbalegbe. If I will say you go school now, you will know how the country they regulate. You didn't go to school. That is why you don't know how the country regulates. I don't know. This kind of men will not carry. The men, they are not working. They are very fucking lazy. They know they work. Now don't spoil the old men. And they see your comment. Now don't spoil the old men. Now so, because she's crying because another woman take her man, her husband. Then now they cry for now today. Not be today now. Not be today. Ma go, ma come. Since you don't tire, you let her go. You find another one. Now you they spend money for. I spend 400 euro for. Because another woman carry your man for you. Take your man for your hand. Now you they cry for. Sometimes, I don't know the kind of people wanna be. Boss say, I travel, I mean wine. I will acquire a wine, a bay, or school. Oh, why you video? Mama, good evening. How you day? When you travel is part of education. You people wawazua. Why are you crying? Crying for say who you want give 400 euro? Your men they use 400 euro till they do better to you. They use 400. Man when you don't come out, now money you want to take all and back. When man don't come out, once man say you want come out, he go. If man want come out, you will feel all. Can you owe him, man? Why you they beg? I hear say they say 400 euro. I welcome my mama. You they want give who you they give 400 euro? Man, when you come, any man, go ask. Many men when they leave their wife or leave the woman when he born for them. Agboma Maya. Good evening, my mommy. Agboma Maya. Frustration, now frustration. And I end up with them. If they say now this woman, I they give them money now, they will run go there. They will go collect. Like they used to not take the douche and throw. Like you born pikin, you they cry on top of pikin. Be like say, I think whether your husband die. I don't know say no, not that woman, I carry your husband. Since the man don't decide say he don't see another woman, you leave and make go now. You not feel all long. As I already day, yeah. Why you? Men wanna devil cook for self, now they cry for. I don't understand. Men now go cook rice for me. Now I will use a bon dondon to cook soup. Now I will use a varié voito. Francis spent and for those irrelevant men fini they'll still live now. You are crying. What did they beat you? What do you want to use 400 to? I mean, now this fight one, they fight one, they go ring bell for our house. You'll see some now they'll come on for their own resident. They'll go on that person resident. Go the ring bell. Go the ring bell. See, years back for here. I think I don't fair use until make a video. Years back for here. When I come here in 2014. The people went there here, they be racist. Me, I resist past them. Because if you say you be racist, me, I get where I go pass you come out. Then children pass. As children pass now, they throw away something for them. The man can't ring bell. Say my pikin throw away something for ground. Now that how you tell know my pikin? How you tell know my pikin? Now I can't tell her, say you go. What are you looking for? How do you know that is my son? He said, yeah, he's a neighbor that told me that he's living in this place. Now I said, no, it's not my son. My son is this side. He not come out. You see, put on for bed. Guy reach outside there. I drag and tell him, will you get off here? Here is not your residence. Here is not your residence. As we that they talk now, he carry phone. He take me picture. All these old man went there, they say, make he take me picture. He take me picture. Now I hold on. Now you bow, I hold on. I tell myself, if you don't delete that picture, I don't deliver. Now they call they say, make it call Balik. But now tell them say, yes, you have to call police because I'm not leaving you. Police will come here before I will take my hand off your pants. If not, you are not leaving this place. It is a play. It is a play. He said, not take me picture. I said, that's not my business. But I see, say, you take me picture. I see the flashing. Then, you are living here. Without no police, you are not living here. You are staying here. Before you will leave here, police will come. The man is saying, play. Oh. When he just the drag, he was they just saying, I should leave. I said, no. You should tell your husband that this place is not his residence. This is my residence. Now tell him, say, now my residence, not this. So this is my territory. Anything that happened to you now, I'm not going for it. You just go like that. Where now they can stay 15 minutes, 20 minutes. All of them pack come out. Now one let that land woman come out. Why they do like that? Now they do like that, can't tell the man, say, you don't have right. You don't have right to ring somebody's bell. You don't have right. What are you doing here? This is not. Do you live here? No. Then what are you doing here? What kind of phrases is this? If they tell say now this good man went there, now he said now come. Before police come now, those men now they don't enter house. As police come now, tell police say he get my picture for his phone. He must delete her. Now police come tell me say make I come on hand for a cloth. Say he go delete the picture. Police carry me enter house. Police carry him go outside. They ask me what happen. I tell police. That police don't talk to them for outside finish. Now police come meet me say the man want to apologize to me. If I agree, make they bring him. If I not agree, make I tell him make it go. And he must delete the picture when they this thing. When I ever see who they crazy. When I ever see who they crazy. As the police say, no problem. Now he can't come inside house. He can't they beg me. Now police can't say, yes, true, my picture there inside phone. My police tell them, say, me delete my picture, come on for a phone. I tell my picture, say, I tell police, say, if my picture, I see him for any place, I will sue him, he's going to pay for it. Now police say, yeah. Police say, do you understand now? If this lady picture is, they find this picture in anywhere, you go to pay for it. And she's going to sue you. If you know that you transfer this picture to another phone, you better delete it. Now, so police tell her. Now, he can't they beg me. He can't say, now, the people went there here. Now, they say, now, no, say, we get misunderstanding. Now, police can't tell her, say, what, do you live here? Where's the resident? Now, other place, now, be resident. Now, pass it, they pass. Now, police can't tell her, say, you don't do that. Police say, you cannot come to people's house. Somebody, you don't even know if that person is crazy. There is some people that they live. You don't know whether they crazy. If you go ring mad person house door now, if you carry knife, come choke for your belly, you will just go like that. That is why you don't ring bell. Let that line here, If you ring bell, you go dress, go back. You don't feel ring bell for let that lamp, you go stand for the month. No. If you ring bell, you go dress, go back. Now, so police come tell and say they no want see for this new couple. They say no. You know they go. You know they go again. You know come here again. Say no. Say me with these people they quarrel. He say no they go again. Now police come tell us say yes. These people they want to use you to fight this lady. Did you see it? I can't see the woman. The man with the husband. If I see them since then, the man they greet me. The man say how you doing? Are you okay? How your kids doing? You don't go to people's house. Why? Black people, they are the most useless people on this European country. Especially the one that is coming from inside those states. People, you are so irritating. You know they live where? How can you people just come on me? Why you nanya? I don't come out go person house. Say, open door, man, I can't fight you. How? Is that the law of the country? Can you even do that in your own country? You will leave your own home and go to somebody's house to fight. Even if say that person, they don't get straight to fight. The people when they that area, they go follow that person fight. As far as they una carry fight, come that area. It dey happen that year now. It dey happen that year. Sometimes, sometimes, I don't understand though. Most of una will see deportation because of some kind thing one they do. Why were me deportation? They'll just the next available flight. Why were you say Nigeria? How can somebody leave his or her own resident? You go to someone else's resident. Una they ring bell for there. For what? Not be play una they play. I don't know why that woman not they call anybody when he come her house can't ring bell for fight. Mona call police for her. That is the law. You should not put the locks into your hands. The law is law. When stranger come they threaten you for your house, call police. Yes. Call police. You have 100% right to call police. You call police, you go enter trouble, That will do when they feel say they want to they do. If they hear say that one person don't land Nigeria, they will desist from it. I don't understand. European country. You know if you see me for road, harass me. Talk like say you just come to my domot. You come they harass me for my own house. Then I'm inside my house. You guys are saying that I should open my door. You think I'm going to exchange word with you? No, I won't exchange word with you. Only what I will do, I will call police. Make police come carry you. Make police show you how the law they work. You can go to prison for it. Police will show you how law work. You should stop that nonsense you are bringing to yourself. Why Germany no good. If na France, na for deport na now say na France no good. If na Holland na for deport na say Holland no good. Can you even do Italy when people say people fool? Can you do that in Italy? Somebody when he come out go fight, he come out for house go fight for Italy. He come out for your house he come fight. He go prison put. That is not your resident. You should stop it. Stop harassing irrelevant harassment. Stop doing that. There is a lot of law in Europe country. If you see somebody fall down now, call police. Not touch him. Not touch him. He get one guy when he want go put himself for prison years back. Where they do shorty, the woman, if they carry this, they come. Now so the woman fall. Now so the guy say, may he go Russian. As the guy go Russian, now the guy carry the woman, he carry and sit down. Now God save that one. So as some old women come, they say now the boy now he push her. Now there's some court say no. Now rescue now this boy, they rescue this woman. I wish all of the court that they say now this boy now he push the woman, waiting for happen. The boy for go prison. This European country, they value human being more than Nigeria. Europe country, they value human being more than Nigeria. They don't play with human. When it comes to human, they don't play with human being. You can go for 20 years imprisonment. Even leaving your house to go and harass person in her house or in his house, you will go for it. Like me now, one Nigerian person go come. He go say, love like day or tomorrow open door for me. You think I will have that fucking time? Can't they talk with you? I will call you Ogbalegbe. Ogbalegbe go come, they go pick you. Ogbalegbe not go even talk to me. They'll not take you out. Welcome. Ogbalegbe just come now. Don't for yeah. Once I just call, right down. These people, yeah, they are there. They are the people. They will take una comot. The time when they say, you don't call police for me, go to police station. Go and put your statement down. Me, I they can't put my statement down. I don't understand though. I don't know which kind of useless people be these people. Just because of money, you people, you want to be breaking rules. Ghana, people there when they carry 5 years ago, 6 years ago, just little fights as a mafia, as a court people, they prison. They leave them finish. After 1 year, they still go pick them up for house when they day. They prison now. Since then, now, so don't spend 6 years for prison. 6 years. What's that? How can you go to somebody's house? You know, see now, if you can't ring bell for Oyibo house, Oyibo tell you, say, what do you want? Now, nyama thing you can't dey talk. He go tell you, say, no. He go tell you, say, man, you go this next door. If you not come out from there, you say, I will call you the police. You'll see that he go carry for come and he go call you the police. He go call you police. He go call you police. I don't understand though. If Nigeria people they do something for abroad sometimes, the way you people do something sometimes, why do you break laws? Why do you put laws into your heads? Why are you guys breaking law? Because you not go school, you people don't know how law exists. Let me tell you what Oyibo not they play. Oyibo not they use old people to play. They don't use children play. They don't use animal to play. They don't play with human being. When it comes to Oyibo, you see those for something. You tell say this Oyibo na this one went on this 70 years. He was right banana wa ya dewu. Wa right no ya dewu. Even if say die, no die. That push where you push on. You don't go spend 5 years for imprisonment. You what it be 5 years? Because you they attend Mondra. Even if say na they na 90 years. The person na 90 years say you want push on. Or you want do one. So it don't they shake. They will call police for you, pick you, come out. That one na another, you don't commit another crime. You know this woman now small now if they behave like small picking now. This shock, this talk when they talk, if he shake, if he fall. I don't know the kind. I don't know what soon I want to. I don't know the kind of person wanna be you. If you don't know, man, may go hospital now. Okay, she's confused and depressed. Okay, she's not normal. She's confused and depressed. I know. But if she's confused and depressed, pick it there with her now. They don't break her heart now. Now, so now they don't serve the woman breakfast. Somebody when they follow and they drag the husband, how you go take normal? If now you go normal. If now me myself, I know normal. That one I'm heartbroken. For somebody to break your heart. You know, make person normal again now. And she said they talk of 400 euro. Who you want give 400 euro? How? For Facebook, now you want give person 400 euro. Facebook say maybe another woman don't collect man for your husband for your hand. You leave and make carry and go now. People when they go, when they say make they go come, they don't go come and where now where no edit. Even the one when they don't say go come. Many men don't frustrate for Europe. They don't know what they want to do again. Man when he live with wife, live with wife and the children, now another woman he go meet with another man children. Erero ni yegba. Erero ni ba. A man when be before they say before you go marry widow, you go ask. You don't see somebody when he carry egg go market, he go they break am by himself. Nonsense. The way I don't understand. Money is root of evil. Money. This money when they see so, you say you want to collect this money. I don't know what you want to do with that money, or you want to use that money go to the judge case. I don't know. You want to collect money. There is some money that will put you. That money they will use and take buy ticket for you. Oh, where who they 400 euro in us in Nigeria, or they 100 euro in us in Nigeria. One euro ticket, billetto of 1 euro, billetto of 1 euro. He deport two sisters. Bileto of €1 or deporting. Bileto of €1. Bileto deport people go Nigeria. Just €1 deport person go Nigeria. Ego money can take you to Africa. That is something Nigeria people, all those one when they fight. There is something if you meet yourself for outside, you can, if you want to fight, you can fight. The white people can call you the police. But not going to each other's house to go and fight. No, it's not their law. You can see yourself in the road, you can fight, then the white people will call you police. And the police will still take you and go Questoria, go police station. That is how it works. Then you don't just leave house, go to somebody's house because of waiting. Because of Facebook. Did you want the country to deport you? If you get paper for country, the country can collect your document, deport you, go Nigeria. Some people go feel say, they know they deport who get document. That they deport who get document. They go collect the document for your hand. They go deport you, go Nigeria. Because why? You break their law. You break their law. They don't deport person when you get document. You break the rules. The lawyer thought say, you break the law. If they tell the lawyer, say, he get document, he get the night, the lawyer say, no, I can't do anything. You have already break the rules. They are the one that give you document, and they still take it back and push you off. I don't understand though. I mean, I don't know what they do, all these people. Most of these people just put their life for Facebook. When they have issue that we just settle indoor, they will bring it to social media. Why bringing it to social media? When you take it to social media, not that it's going to settle. I've never seen an issue that you people bring down to social media that is settled. You people issue don't settle. Then why do you people take it serious? Why not take it serious? I don't understand now. How can people go just come out for their house? Go another person. For Nigeria, you know if you try that thing. Now come out from our house. Una go another person's house for Nigeria, go fight. I never see that. People when you go even try at that time self. So it was they die put. You come person and that person run inside, you go carry over your door, you weapon for your head. Now right now. The rest go wrong. You know? That is annoying. It's annoying. Get one video when I see people go somebody's house. They go, they ring bell for there. No. You people should not do it. It's not good for una. That thing can make the country deport una. This something can make that act can make the country take deport una. They go tell now so article like this. They write down for them say you don't bust into somebody's house. Even for Nigeria self is against the law. When you bust into somebody's house, you are a criminal. You be thief be that. You be thief be that. Yes, you be thief be that. That is something. Say one thing when it happen for Facebook. The guy just new park enter the house. Carton when they there. The another man when he fed that area. The man say don't spend whether than 6 years. The man come out. The man tell him say what did they do for this area? Now so now they do one. Now so now they jump enter people compound. Go they carry their this thing. They are waiting they buy their order. Now the guy got the thought saying he just move into this house. Now the man got to say no, that is how you guys do it. Now so when you see the police, when you see say that you both call police for some time, they will say you both wicked. Okay, what of that day now? You both call police for una. Police come pack una, carry una. Do you know? I don't know why people break rules. Why do you people? When we get paper self, we never fear to break rules self. Talk like say people when no even get paper. They break rules. You see them, they go they fight. Ask me this on where they fight. If I see say that they fight, I'll come on for them. If I dey party, I see say that they fight for party, I'll come on for that. Not also because I get paper, I did there. If people go party, even who no get paper, I'll come on for that party. Who get paper go see con you say I beg come on come on to. This one say I no get paper. Second one say not be my paper. Police will come control. Did you know? You go see and they go. I don't understand. Some people will just waka come on, go somebody's house, go they commit nuisance. Which kind sense be this? Okay, what if they can't carry on now? They deport you now. If they can't carry on now, they deport you now. What do you go talk? What are you going to tell people? Anybody that is doing that, you have to stop it. If not, now Nigeria now una go end up for Molutala Mohammed. Una go end up for Molutala Mohammed. Oh, you don't they smile. Oh, you don't they laugh. You just end up in Molutala Mohammed. Because why? You are in the country, they do nyanka. Una don't ever see the area one a day. Since I did this area, I ever see somebody can ring bell. You say open the door. Open door. I never see. Say, yeah, we can't say, make the open door. Door open. I never see. Anything when you dish Nigeria hand. When it comes to money, Nigeria go want me that they break the rules. They break the rules when it comes to money. What of if you, from there, they come from there, deport you, call. And the little money that una they fight for, the money not go reach you to do visa. The money not go reach you to do visa. That is some small money when people say it go bring problem to una. It not go reach anything. If they don't even deport yourself, it not go even reach to pay you. I mean, not say that deport person that they pay person. People when they deport years ago, that they pay all of them. That is enough. That is something one and they do sometimes saying it's against the law. To be honest, you know, when you are saying it now, people, they will be saying, shut up. That is something you people do. It's against the law, It's against the law. You just there against law. You go read people bear, carry fight, up and down. What else that person can call police for now? Police can carry on and go Nigeria. Then wait till now call the turn. I thought say the person a bad person. No. The person not be bad person because now not be the bad person. It's enough. When they come from our house, they go people's house again, go there embarrass them. It's not good. They will now because they now know now. I can say now if now other person like me person won't try that thing to me. I'll go call you police. I don't get missing. I'll call you police. Even if say we reach court of law. Now what here they talk now go stand for. I know they look uche. Now wait and they talk now go stand for. You people should stop it. People don't use and take get problem. Go into somebody's house, go fight. People they use and take get problem, I don't see many people when they use that to take get problem. Many people they use and take deport them. You go say na fighting go fight. They use and take deport people. They use and take deport people. It's not good. There is some things when you don't supposed to do. When you be like say, the country when you there, not be your papa, not be your mama, even your own papa country, your own mama country. You know if you bust into somebody's house, you cannot go to somebody's house, start ringing bell, start shouting. What if the people went there that day now they can't call police for now? Wait till now talk. And I say Oyibo bad. That person when house wanna go that day. Or if now my house area for years, say the black person dead there, or not that black people go there. Now me go even use my hand to call police safe. That is the law. Because to save that person life. I read it. If you see say somebody, they want to go bust in. You see and through window say they want to go bust in, that they force themselves to enter the house. You have the right to call police. Why? To save that person's life. Because you don't know whether they want to go assassinate that person. Maybe at that moment, that person they fear. He don't know where he put his phone. You know, that person don't know where he put the phone. I can help that person to call police. If now me, where not they go ring bell that day, if I did that area, me won't be lovely, I will call police for that person. I will call police to help that person. I'm telling you the truth because now waiting there, I read for school be that. How are you, Mommy TV? Yes, now waiting I read for school be that. They teach me for school. It did my brain. Yes, they teach me for school. That is sometimes that is what we call eyewitness. Because why? If somebody dey here, as I dey here now, my next house now, people dey down now that they pull the door, I see say now pull that they pull the door. I can call police. I tell police say there is a criminal here. Say robbery dey my house at this moment. They are trying to pull the door. Then police go come. If police come, now me be the eyewitness. Because why? Now my phone number I take call. If the police reach there, then the police go arrest the people. Yes, it did. Like the other time, years back, I did my back here. Police, the pursue thief, they come. As the police reach where I did, they tell me, say, make I go inside house. Say, thief, they around this area. Say, the pursue thief pass this area. Make I enter inside house. I enter inside house. They never dark, oh. They never dark like that. They say, I should go inside. Do you not see, huh? There is a lot of rules because me, I go. Because at the talk about the day when, something happen, maybe, black people feel come, maybe Nigeria feel later come here. Now, truth at the tell now, maybe Nigeria feel later come here. Maybe another Nigeria want come fight the Nigeria person. At the talk my own, I go call police. Because now what they teach me for school be that. They say when you see another person is in danger, you can call police. Now all the whole country. Now it makes say Oyibo, they call police. They will say the Oyibo too wicked. No. Now wait till they teach them. When they go school that time, they teach us. If person they walk out up and down, they walk out up and down, they walk up and down, they walk up and down. Now you see say all those old people, that they call police. They'll say why old people they call police. Now wait till they teach them for school. They teach me that time for school. Say if your neighbor, you see say that they break in, you can call police. If he say that your neighbor no feed their house, you see, if he say that your neighbor no feed their house, you go call police so that make police come. They come catch the people when they want to go thief for the house. Yes. Now so it be. If me now can do it, if black people there here now, maybe now one Nigeria there here now, another Nigeria come, they want to come they fight. I will help the Nigeria person call police for the Nigeria, the second Nigeria. Then if now here say I call police, make una no vex because now wait till they teach me for school. And for small children that they teach them, that they teach them. If anything happen, call police. Book of calling, LDO number, they there. That they put on for our house. Now not say una will see book for our house. Una will go put on for a bokme. That book una will put on for top of una chef. Anytime when be say something happen, una go carry phone, una go call police. Now the person now he can't know whether he go meet himself for Nigeria or he go land for himself for Nigeria. He no concern now because why? You people don't fit all live in our house. How can people just live in our house? When I all live in our house, don't go on that person's house. Go they ring bell, tell the person may open door. For waiting now. Man, they respect you yourself. I don't know. Some people just they do Oduga for Europe. People just they do Oduga. I don't understand. I want to do God. Don't be like say, I want to. When you enter police hand, you don't finish with that. Oh, you don't finish. See one guy, they deport him. They deport him. You will first spend that month. If you spend the month finish, you will first spend 3 months. If you spend 3 months finish, they go deport you. It did the law. Breaking into people's house. Harassing people in their residence is against the law. You come to somebody's residence and harass that person is against the law. You break in is against the law. Even for Nigeria law is against law. Don't break into somebody's house. Don't harass person in that person business and this residence. You cannot come from somewhere now. Come they harass me for. Yeah, call you the police. Now let that one I will say help myself. That is some things una they do sometimes just because say una know they go school, una know they try. Sometimes you people should try make una they go school. But una tell them say make they put una for school because the time una take stay for house they do anyhow. It can still help you people to grow una brain. Yes, go and grow your brain. You people should go and work with your brain. Go to school. Go and work with your brain. Today I see one of my teacher. Yeah, I tell her say I they call school again. He say okay, no problem. They are going to do it. That is all. You know, that one, the school, when I tell them, say, they go. Not be by say, now by force. Now, me just want go. I don't understand. That school, when I go inside last year, I see my teacher tell them, say, I will be starting school next week. He said, yeah, I'm expecting you. Okay. You know, say, I say, when I go to shopping. That is it. Are you there? That is it. You people should go to school. Go to school. Maybe if your pikin is small, maybe now your daughter say, okay, you know, go school. If you thought say you want to go school, that your little baby, they get where they go help you put her. They will put you for school Monday and Tuesday. If not only 2 days, you go take go. If your pikin is small, only 2 days they can give you. They will get where they will help you put your pikin. You say you want to go language school. They can give you 1 hour for you to go school. You people should go to school and acquire a little bit of education so that you people can know when to go to somebody's house and fight and know when not to go to people's house and embarrass them. Una too they embarrass. You people should go to school. Like me now, like this house when near me now. If I hear say boo 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 boo, I go call police. Maybe person when want enter that house, and maybe the people know their house. Maybe not thief now. I want go thief for the house. I have 100% right to call police. Yes, I have 100% right to call police. That is it. Then I'll tell police that there is something happening in my area. Maybe it's criminal. They want to bust into somebody's house. Police go come. Before you know, no. Police, it don't come. Now so. And if somebody want to see the fight una for my house, you go come on for it. Since you feel get sense, take come on for your house. You want to go fight for another person's house. I bet my sister, my brother, I bet make una call police for them. You people should call police. Nobody, when police no will fit talk to more than forget Facebook issue. There is nobody, all those Facebook, this thing, or anybody where is against when you go fit beat the law. You no fit beat the law. The law must beat you. Yes, it's against the law. It's in the article here. You don't go to people's house and harass them. You cannot come to my house now. Call the no dog. Make I open door for you. I'm not going to talk to you. Only what I will do you, I go dash you police. The only police I'll call for you. Before you go come out for that area, police they go track you down. Before you they come out for that area, maybe you don't knock, you don't knock. Maybe I know put off. I don't already call police. Before you go come out for that area, police don't already track you. They go pick you. Yes, they go pick you. It's enough. I don't understand. You both should go and look for work. You guys, you are not working. That is why you are everywhere. You want to roll why you winner. Why you school. Some guests now that they go school for Germany. Some of them they go school 3 times in a week. Some of them they go school 2 times in a week. You people should go to school so that you will know the law of your country. That you make Germany they drive you now. Germany they pursue you now. You people you don't know the law. German pursue you guys up and down. If now they seek a salon. Now see they use fight, till they spoil una duro. How can you be seeking asylum? You are still fighting in the same country that want to give you document to stay. So you want them to give you that document to stay in their country to be committing nuisance. Doesn't it really work like that? So Tess, I don't understand though. Why be say some people that they put their self for problem just because of little coins. A little coins when we say if they go drop you from Nigeria, that little coins don't go reach you, Take systemize yourself for 2 days. Somebody when they from here deport now. People go say, this thing 300,000 a big go now. You follow me, Komoto. Before you from Molutala Mohammed reach those states, money goes, you go small. You say, Before 2 days, that money don't finish. Because light not there. You say, me they buy kerosene or buy fuel. Now that 300,000 when you see say you hold so. Now only fuel 2 days. Now you go use and take buy fuel put for jail. Only 2 days. Who revive way? Sometimes, you know what? If person they talk to now sometimes, when I will feel say no anybody no advice you now, but I know the advice you now. I am telling you guys the law of the country. When you have problem with person, anywhere when you get problem with person, if not through phone, anywhere, just talk, finish, let that problem go. Don't go to that person's house. It's against the law. It's against the European law. If that person, call police for you, it don't finish with that. When police pick you, now, you go land yourself for prison. For prison, or from there, deport you. Now, that one come bad pass. Coming to somebody's house to come and fight. For Europe, they used to deport person last year now. They used it to deport somebody last year. Yes. They used to deport person for one country last year. You people should stop it. I'm just saying this for you guys' sake. Don't go to somebody's house. Don't bust in. Don't knock. No. If you police catch you for road, you tell police say no be you. Only your hand they low when you take touch the door, they go do you fingerprint put. They do you fingerprint put. Una when you got that house that day now. Let's say for example now, una come on for that house. Say that boy, that person now wanna go meet, he fall for ground. Nobody there to help and he die. Now there Oyibo go talk say there is some black people when they come here. Nah. Before you know, camera when they set for that area, camera go take una picture. Before you know, they check carry una picture, they enter their system, they see una picture, then they come carry una cut say no be una. Camera there everywhere. That time that one person there, he reach where traffic light there. He beat traffic light. They give him 75 euro. He come say they give him 75 euro. Say he not do anything. Now I say which traffic light you beat. He say and that the area where we there now, if they go supermarket, the traffic light now very big traffic light now they there. Now God say now traffic light when you dey that area, that big place. Now you go beat so. He say the time when he pass and say motor no dey. Now say now the camera when they there now he take you picture now. He say He say camera there now say for your mind. Now tell him say inside this place when you dey so camera no dey. I say camera when they put for there now he take you picture. He say he say Oyibo. Yes. For this thing, for traffic light, camera there now. People when they give them butter for traffic light, now they stand, can't go take picture by themselves. Now the camera when they there, no be person call police for you, say you beat light. Now cameras, so they pass, they don't see them. They don't see them. You get one place when I did. I reach police station, I reach police station, they can't invite me for police station years back, oh. They get some question when they want to ask me for police. That time when they put in for document. Police can't invite me. I reach there, my people. The place when I dey, the place when I dey, it dey show for police station. As that compound big reach, it dey show for police station. And people take they enter the compound, it can't they show for police station. Now say, he nah wow. It can't they show. It can't they show. Now I tell the police, say, well, this is the place where I live. The police say, yeah. You see, You see the way where they take connect, Now only that place, now they show. Another place, no they show. Now only there they show. That time, now, if they come and they enter, if police come pick you, you say, why police come pick me? I didn't do anything. He said, now only that place, now they connect together because they do things with that place. If now they do something sometimes, all this money when una they want to they use overnight, they do. You people should go and walk. Go and walk and stop fighting up and down. Woman, if man say he don't tire, make it go. You want to go meet another woman. You know if you hold on. You know if you hold on. You know if you hold on. I don't understand. You cannot hold it. Once man say he don't see another woman, you leave her. I know say they break heart, you take heart, you know. That is it. No, now people when they fight, they do nyanga. They go people house, go they fight for people house, nyanga. It's not good. It's not good. And they use until they deport people. You know a lot of people when they use until deport. Now that one you both don't like. That is assassin. Now that one you both they call an assassin. Assassin. No, now you both they call that one. They'll say what you are doing now, assassin. You go to somebody's house, pull the door, or do it, say, make the person, they come down, or they come out. When camera don't catch you, all those things wanna do that day now, camera did that house now. That camera now don't catch you now. Tomorrow now, if police now come arrest you now, now will say, how police come to arrest you now. And they say, no be the day when small pikin key calabash of oil, no be that day, no be mama the asa. You people should be very, very, very careful. Most of una, deportation, Nigeria, Nigeria just the randuna, you know, Nigeria. There is some people I see sometimes, deportation just randuna. You people should be very careful. Deportation just randuna. All una body now, deportation to deport una go Nigeria. You people should be very careful. I don't talk now. Maybe the day when it go happen, they'll say, Love Lincoln, I felt talk and that woman. Pata now say, I'm no here, Azen here, I be also in here. Because the way one attend they do something. Deportation is ringing. One person dead now when they want deport. You be very careful before they will deport you. Be very, very, very careful. If not, you go see yourself for Molutala Mora, may your eye go clear. I bet my people, may I live on a good night.